Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can adjust the picture you added on the resume. So in here, I've already opened the Microsoft Word and I created this resume using the Word template. And let's say I want to add this picture, but you can see that this is not the right position and alignment. So what you need to do is just click on a picture in here and then click on this layout options, or you can just right click on the picture and find this wrap text, and in here you can just choose this one in front of the text. You can see if you try the other one, it's still position is still not right. So just click on in front of text, and after that you can just drag the photo to the positions in here. And that's it. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.